pick from the last demo where we left. Okay, at this time we are having rows associated with country and state, and columns have category, and values have sum of sets. So let's go ahead and now we will explore more of the context sensitive menu. So what we will do, we will just go any of the country and click here, and we will go to the expand, and if I am going with expand to entire level, this causes expansion of entire country. So we can, by right click, we can use drill down, and if we are click here and we on the blank space and we click here on drill up, so we have an option of drill up. Let's click on this, and every one of the country will drill down. So what we will do now, now we will go to the country, Bolivia, let's Brazil, and we will click here drill down. If we are click here drill down, it will show us drill down to Brazil only. Now go to the filter pane and see how filter can be used in conjunction with matrix. So what we'll do, we'll expand filter. So as we'll expand filter, we can see this is also a little bit smaller in size. So what we can change, we can see in filter pane. We can see country Brazil is added here, and we, by clicking here on drill down, we can see there is an interaction between drill down and up and filter functionality. So if we are going here and we are clicking it, then this we can clear that filter. So as we click on appearance changes, we can control filters from drill down button here and drill down from filter pane. Right now, matrix is in expanded form for every country. Now go to the filter, and we can see filter is for category, filter for country, state, country, and this one country for all. So now we are clicking here and drill up in blank space. As we drill up, you can see filter for countries disappeared, and there is a change here in also. So this is a good sense of how we can drill up and drill down, and how this is connected with the filters, and we can change filters by matrix and matrix by filters. So matrix in Power BI supports multiple selection. Now what we will do, we will go to the country, let's say let's say Brazil. Now hold the control key and go for few more selection. I am selecting this one, and Cuba. So as I am selecting this, now what you should do, right click and go on and do include. As I am clicking include, there is a change in appearance of the matrix as well as in the filter pane. So filter is also changes, and screen changes, multiple selections are possible. Okay, so if I am deleting it, remove filter, you can see appearance also changes. Now we'll try out. So by include command, we can include 4 or 5 countries only. Now we will go to the exclude command. For that, what we will do, we will select any of the country and hold the control key. Let's selecting. Then go to the right click and use exclude command. As we click on exclude, we can see by right clicking on exclude, it has two effects. It has two effects. One on the view of the matrix, one the view of the matrix, and another one on the filter. You can even see here the total also reduced. So grand total is reduced, and there is also a exclude option on the filter. So we can do with columns. We are doing it with rows only. Now will go to the columns. Now we will select here furniture, and in the same way we will hold control key and we will select another one column. Now right click, and if I am doing include, you can see there is a change in appearance and there is a change in the filter. Okay. In the similar way, if I am removing it from here, in the similar way we can do it for exclude. So we can see there is a appearance changes. So we can do multiple selection in matrix, and we can interplay between multiple selection and filter bin. I hope you got the point. So this is the original matrix we are having. Now I am ending my demo here, and I will start from this point in my next demo. Okay friends, thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.